Good evening, friends. Today I would like to discuss something about the nature and its role to sustain life on earth. Friends, as we know that our life is operated, sustained, maintained by the nature and its resources and ecosystem as well as by the society. There is a mutual understanding, there is a mutual cooperation, there is a mutual reactions among all these things which helps to sustain life on earth. There is a need to maintain harmony with the nature and society. There is a also need to maintain balance among the nature, balance among the society, and also balance among the life. Life is an integrated system which is a combination of various types of the circumstances such as happiness and sorrow, good or bad circumstances, comfortable and uncomfortable conditions, agreement or agree and disagreement among the people, among the society, favorable and unfavorable conditions which are being faced by the us and also are combated by us. If these balances, if there is a balance among all these situations, among life or in life, then the life will continue comfortably or the life will run comfortably and easily. If this balance is disturbed, then the several problems arise. And to combat these situations, we are compromising with the nature. We are compromising with the nature and its resources and systems called ecosystem. All these good or bad conditions are the results of our reactiveness. Though we are having our God, Almighty God has provided a sense of discrimination to us or to human being. When even then we are becoming reactive to all these forces or against the forces of the nature, and which is done by us to make our life more and more comfortable. Why we fight with the nature? To make our life more and more comfortable. The life is made comfortable on the cost of the destruction of the nature and its ecosystem, its resources. More and more comfort of life means more and more destruction of nature and its ecosystem. We, the human being or man, is the biggest destroyer of the nature and its various ecosystems. We have compromised with our ecosystem we have compromised with our immune system of our body, due to which we are getting various types of the problems. Corona problem is also one of the biggest problem which have emerged out. It is also because of imbalance in life. This is the Lord's way of teaching, or the nature's way of teaching, or it is a lesson for us that we should not destroy the nature and its resources. If we will destroy the nature and its resources, then the nature will definitely harm us. The present problem of the corona, it is also one of the example of the disturbing the ecosystem or natural system by the human being, only for our comfortness or our happiness. To get our comfort in life, we are destroying the nature. We are disturbing the nature. And disturbance to the nature leading the problems. Whether it is the problem of coronavirus, COVID-19, or any other problems. Nowadays we are facing the problem of not only the corona, but we are also facing the problem of locust, a biggest pest on the earth. We are also facing the problem of different storms, different types of natural disasters. So it is only because of the disturbance of the nature by the human being. So let us not disturb the nature, and let's behave like, allow the nature to behave like nature. If we will not allow the nature to behave like nature, then we will definitely face the problem. Now we have noticed that because of the development, we are getting different types of we are doing different types of activities which are anti-nature activities for our development. More development, creation of more infrastructure, creation of more facilities in the life, leading the more problem in the life, because it disturbs the nature, and the nature, when the nature is disturbing, then it disturbs our life. So we should not go to we should not destroy the nature just because of our comfort in life. Thank you very much.